Engineering visualization and product realization. 3D printing fundamentals. What is to be covered here? 1. What is 3D printing? Answer. 3D printing or additive manufacturing is the construction of a three-dimensional object from a CAD model or a digital 3D model. It can be done in a variety of processes in which material is deposited, joined, or solidified under computer control, with material being added together, typically layer by layer. On to the next. 2. What are the methods used in it though? Answer. There are several methods of 3D printing, which include stereolithography, selective laser sintering, fused deposition modeling, digital light process, multi-jet fusion, polyjet, direct metal laser sintering, electron beam melting. 3. What are the materials used in it? Answer. There are several types of 3D printing materials, which include carbon fiber, metal, resins, graphene and graphite, powders. 4. What are the applications of 3D printing? Answer. There are many applications of 3D printing. Some of the common uses are listed down. Prosthetics and human organs, biomedical implants, emergency response structures, on-demand tailored clothing, educational materials, food,